Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire ice maker stuck on clean mode, exit sequence and hard reset steps. Fix 1. Hard power reset. You just have to unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and wait for exactly 10 minutes to allow control board capacitor to drain completely. Plug the unit back into a working outlet. Fix 2. Manual cycle cancellation. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds and release the power button and observe the display panel. If the light status does not change, press and hold the clean button for 10 seconds. Fix 3. Clear and dry the sensor. Unplug the unit and second time for safety. Drain all the water from the internal reservoir using the drain plug at the bottom or back. Dry the interior completely with a clean microfiber cloth. You just have to wipe the infrared sensor small plastic eye inside the ice basket area to remove scale or mineral film. Fix 4. Restart a standard ice cycle. You just have to ensure the drain plug is pushed securely back into a place. Fill the reservoir with the fresh water up to the max fine level. You just have to press the power button once quickly to initiate normal ice making mode. Thanks for watching.